Hello friends, welcome to our channel Worldwide ABK Stupid Tech. Let's see the process of Google Authenticator, utilizations, activation with Tallwin ID. Before proceeding this, you will have to download Google Authenticator from App Store or Play Store. Now open your Play Store and type Google Authenticator and click on Install button in front of Google Authenticator. After installing it, open your Authenticator applications where you will find this interface and it will ask to sign in with the help of a Gmail ID, and the Gmail ID must be your own Gmail ID. So be careful before proceeding this because all the codes of Google Authenticator will be mapped with the help of this Gmail ID. Now select the Gmail ID which you want. After selecting here, you will get this interface. If you want to change the Gmail ID, you can. If you don't, then click on add a code button. After click on that, you will get this interface where you can activate the authenticator with the help of QR code or a setup key. I will continue here with the help of setup key, and after clicking there you will get this interface where you will have to put the details, your account name and your key, and third one must be default. So where you will find the details first and second one, you will have to go to crowdfunding website of Tallwin Life, where you will have to log in with crowdfunding website Tallwin Life with the help of that user ID where you want to enable the Google Authenticator. Now go to, but before proceeding this, don't close this windows. Before proceeding this, don't close this window because it is very important for that. Now minimize these windows and open your crowdfunding website and log in with the user ID and password where you want to enable the Google Authenticator. After login here, you will get these details where you will find the Google Authenticator QR code and the security key. And second one is transaction code or transaction password. And third one is OTP. So leave the options second and third one. I repeat, don't enter any details in second and third options. Copy only security key of Google Authenticator code. What you need to copy, you must copy the Google Authenticator code from here right now and minimize these windows and go to Google Authenticator applications and enter the details, the user ID of Tallwin Life, and second enter the security code. Which code? This code. You have to enter here and click on add button. After clicking on add button, you will get these windows where you will find your username above the code, and the code is being replaced within 30 seconds. In each 30 seconds the code will be updated. So it means, I would like to make you understand a simple way. The code which you will be utilized by yourself, and the code must be utilized within 30 seconds because each 30 seconds the code will be expired or replaced or will be updated. So be aware of that before proceeding this. Due to this, the Google Authenticator is reliable and secure authenticator system in the world. Now minimize this button and go to same windows where you have copied the security key. After enabling this, Windows Authenticator, you have to put your transaction password. That means which you have used already, you are familiar. The transaction password which you were using at the time of swapping T Life coin or at the time of transferring with the help of P2P T Life coin. So enter the same password here, transaction password, and you will get the OTP in your registered mail ID. So copy the OTP and enter here. After entering these details, click on Setup Now button. But before proceeding this, you will have to be aware of that don't enter a single time with wrong details. I repeat, don't proceed with wrong details in a single time. Don't enter wrong details. So you have to be aware of that and enter correct details and click on Setup Now button. After clicking here, your authenticator has been enabled in your Tallwin ID. Now you can log in with your crowdfunding website also, or you can also go to Tallwin coin website and log in with your same ID, same user ID where you have enabled the authenticator, Google Authenticator. I have entered the details and login here. After login here, you will find the interface and you are familiar with this, and it is very easy to understand for yourself. And after that you can check the mining button is enabled also, and to understand the Google Authenticator and where it has been implemented by the system, so you need to go to menu button and go to P2P and swap options, then click on swap to P2P. After that you will find this interface. Before today you were using the transactions password instead of OTP, but from today onwards you will have to use authenticator, Google Authenticator code, 6-digit Google Authenticator code instead of transactions password. That means you will not have to enter your transaction password anymore in the future, because our system has enabled more secure and reliable system as a Google Authenticator. So where you will find the Google Authenticator code from here. Copy this code and enter the code as a Google OTP options and enter the amount of T-Life which you want to swap and click on swap T-Life TP P2P, and it is very easy way to understand for everyone if you want. Now the same way you can use in P2P transfer. First one, we already know that the user ID where you want to transfer the T Life coin, and the second one is amount, how many T Life coin want to transfer, and the third one is authenticator. In the same authenticator code, this type of authenticator code you will have to enter at the time of P2P transfer here and click on I am not robot button, then click on P2P fund transfer now. After following this simple step, you can easily transfer the fund and your Google Authenticator will be reliably and smoothly work. After that, I would like to make you understand that the code which you have seen at the time of activation, you will have to keep this code or QR code by writing such username as you want, because this code will be very necessary if you will lost your phone or damage your phone, if you reset your phone. Then to recover your all authenticator codes and the security code, the same security code will be required at the time of recovering that, restoring the codes. So be alert for that and keep it in safe place for future reference. Thank you.